Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my honest review of the Fitbit operating system update. So let's go through the functions. Holding the home button takes you to the quick menu. Here you have access to change the screen wake and notification settings. Sliding to the left grants you access to the music controls, including connecting to your Bluetooth earphones. I think it would be more useful if you could select the tracks from this menu, but I suppose that defeats the purpose of it being a quick menu. Because the way it's been set up, you can only control the music if it's already playing, you can't select tracks here. If we go back, sliding down on the screen now brings up notifications, but sliding up gives you a view of the Today section. At first glance, you see your steps and you see whether you've hit your goals every day of the week. I think this is really helpful because it means you also don't have to keep going to your phone to look at what you've been doing throughout the week, and you don't depend on the app on your phone to actually make the most out of your Fitbit. Sliding to the left lets you see how many miles you've walked in the day. If you keep going, you can see how many stairs you've climbed, how many calories you've burned, and the active minutes for the day. If we keep going down, you can see the information for your active hours, whether you've hit every hour for the day. Moving further down shows you your current resting heart rate and gives you a bit more information about your heart rate throughout the day and throughout the week. A great addition is that now you can see your 3 most recent logged exercises. I think this is very helpful for drawing quick comparisons of your workouts. You can also change the settings for the Today app. That's about whether you want to include or exclude the tips and tricks and the inspiration, as Fitbit likes to call it. I like that the option to change the settings are being localized in their respective sections rather than forcing users to go to the main settings on the watch to change settings for a small part of the app. If we go back, I find it strange that Fitbit are duplicating their efforts here, because by holding the top right button, it'll show you your notifications as well. But simply tapping the top right button brings up the music section. Tapping the bottom right button takes you to the Fitbit Coach app, which is a useful reminder that Fitbit Coach actually exists. I'm not saying that I don't find Fitbit Coach helpful, the videos are very helpful, but I just find it a little annoying that Fitbit has removed the exercise from the quick menu app. They could have just made it so that by holding down the button on the bottom left, it takes you to the exercise menu. To conclude, the update does make the watch a bit more useful, but I think when we hear about an operating system, we also want a redesign of user interface, but that doesn't always go well. So in general, I am happy with the updates and I think it is useful. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful and if you want more videos like this, and if you have found it helpful, then subscribe to TechLoto for more in-depth informative Fitbit videos.